Hi, this is Leanne from Gospel Learning on Your Lap. I just wanted to show you how to make this waterfall card. This is a printable that you'll cut out, so easy enough, you just cut around the edges. So we'll start with the assembly of it. The first part is quite simple. You'll need to get a brad or a staple. You're just attaching this stripe piece to the side. So I just have a brad here, and you'll punch that through. Easy. You want to just make sure that there's space left right here. So the next step is a little more complicated. You're going to take your long strip right here and you're going to measure down 2 inches and score. Measure down 2 inches and 2 3/4 inches, score again. The next measurement is 3.5 inches and score right there. And the next measurement is 4 1/4 and score right there. So you'll fold all of those back, and then you'll attach your card tags with some glue. So your first one, let's see, take my tag, and I'm going to just put the glue right along here in a strip and attach it right there. And then you'll fold that under, another strip of glue, attach your next tag, fold that under, another strip of glue, and here's our last one. Okay. So then we take this, we're going to slide it under that piece we made right here. Let me get that attached. So the last piece we'll need to do is we'll put a little ribbon or a string right there. So then you'll pull it and it'll open piece by piece, leaving this last cute little message at the very bottom. Now I need to do one last thing, and I think I might need to adjust my paper, but I'll need to glue this piece to the bar right here, so that it can stick. Okay. So there you are. This is our waterfall card. Mine's a little different from the one I gave you as a printable. It's a little welcome baby card that I've made. How fun is that? Thanks for joining me on Gospel Learning on Your Lap.